Hey guys, it's Maureen. I just wanted to record a quick video to show you how to access the Canvas page for our course. So as you can see, I'm here on the Kenyatta College website, and up here in the corner you can see a little button that says Canvas. So you're going to want to click on that, and that will take you to the login page. Your login is going to be the same as your email, your Kenyatta email, or SMCCD email actually. So it's going to be the first little bit of that. Usually it's your last name with the first letter. And so you want to put that in, and then your password, the same password that you would use for your email, and then click sign in. And when you do that, that will take you to the Canvas dashboard. Now your Canvas dashboard is going to be a little bit different because it's going to show you the classes that you are enrolled in. So if you are enrolled in My English 100, then you're going to want to click on this rock climber, and that will take you to our course's homepage. So right now I'm going to switch over into the student view to show you what it will look like when you, the student, log in to this course. Okay. So here we are. This is our homepage. Then over here on the side are some important tools. The main one is going to be modules. So modules are just units. Kind of in this course I like to go by a weekly module, and each week I'll post any relevant information under that week's module. So at the top here for the course overview, we've got the course syllabus, which you can see when you click on that. You can download it so you can have it on your computer. I post every document in PDF format so you can read it on any device. And then you can also see a preview of it here on the screen. So this is something that you received on the first day of classes, and you're going to want to hold on to that. But if you lose your copy or you need to reference it and you don't have it with you, then it's here on our Canvas page. Woohoo! It's got everything about this course, everything relevant to my policies, including your final exam date, and basically anything you need to know about this course, including the designation. So heading back to the modules, you can see we also have a timeline of important events. I am going to try to update this with things like essay due dates, etc. But right now it's just got the first day of this course and then a couple other important dates like the last day to drop this course without it appearing on your record. Hope that doesn't happen, but you know, sometimes life gets in the way. And last day to withdraw from the classes. Thanksgiving. It's going to be a holiday, so no class. I won't be here, so you better not show up. And then the date of our final exam. And I will add more to that as the semester goes on. Week 0 or Unit 0, Module 0, lots of fun words for that, is going to include a welcome message and course overview. You can read over these things. I'm going to post this video under how to navigate this course in case you need it for reference. For the first week, we're going to do a quick discussion board where you introduce yourself. So that's going to be available to you at the start date of the class. Very simple, very straightforward. Just an opportunity to get to know one another. And some other information like, is your computer ready? You can find out basically what kinds of things you need to do to prepare to use Canvas. And you know, sometimes students have issues because their browser doesn't support Canvas, so that gives you all kinds of information about what you might need. Here is really important for you to take a look at as the class gets started. A little bit about me. There's a picture of me in Bosnia on a trip a couple years ago in the summertime, and a little bit about my background, contact information, response time. I really do try to stick to quick turnaround with responses to emails, and also my office hours. So for this course, my office hours are Tuesday and Thursday, right before class in my office where I am right now, Building 3, room 243. And some other information about progress reports, etc. So take a look at that when you have a chance. And another great thing, student support services. Canvas and technology support. Definitely going to come in handy as you get used to navigating Canvas. Here is a place for you to post your questions. If you have a question about this course and you think other students might be wondering it as well, like, you know, do I need to buy all my textbooks the first week? Well, the answer to that one is yes. But other questions like that, you can post them here on the student forum and I will reply, and then everyone will be able to see, and hopefully it can be kind of like a FAQ, frequently asked questions, for students instead of me fielding, you know, the same question over and over again via email. So consider posting there. I welcome that. And also I've got a section here for anonymous feedback. So I will not see who posts. I cannot tell who this came from, but if you want to, you know, give me some feedback about the course, you can submit your comments or questions. If there's something that, you know, is confusing or you're struggling with, but you don't necessarily want to post it openly or ask a question in class, then this is the spot to do it. And please remember to be respectful. And just because it's anonymous doesn't mean that we shouldn't stick to our standard sort of netiquette behavior. Okay, so right now it doesn't look like there's a lot on here because we just have our week 1 to do. But every week you're going to see a to-do list, and it's essentially what you got to do. So in the first day of class, we're going to go over the syllabus, and there's a contract at the end that you know, I really want you to look it over and then sign it if you're ready to sign it and commit to this course. One thing I would like you to do is add a profile picture to your Canvas profile. It helps me learn your name faster, and it's also just kind of a friendly way to be like, oh, okay, I'm connecting, and for the other students in the class too, you can learn each other's names. And another assignment is going to be to send me a test email from your SMCCD email to my SMCCD email, which is wileym@smccd.edu. And all you got to do is write me an email that completes this sentence. I love whatever it might be. It's another way for me to get to know you, and it's also a great way for you to make sure that everything's in working order. Now, you do need to email me from your SMCCD email because privacy laws in the state of California mean that I cannot reply to you if you email me from your personal email account. So send it to me via SMCCD email. Don't send it from your Gmail or Yahoo, and don't tweet me because I cannot reply. And the last thing is to purchase all of your course textbooks. I probably already mentioned this in class, but your books need to be paper form. I cannot accept any ebooks or e-readers. I know some students like to listen along, like audiobooks, and don't get me wrong, I love audiobooks, but that's not going to work for this course and the assignments, which we'll get into more in week 2. You'll be writing in your books, so make sure that you purchase copies with no written marks inside the book. Otherwise, you're going to go through a very tedious process of crossing out all those markings or erasing them if they were written in pencil so that you can make your own marks and I can be sure who wrote what. So just, you know, get a clean copy of the book. Make sure it's a paper copy. Those are available to you in the bookstore. And heading back to the modules here, let's see. We've got on the side here, grades. I am pretty good about updating grades on a weekly basis. So you're going to see that you have some assignments here, but they will not be available to you until that week. So no working ahead. And I know you're so eager to get to work, but no working ahead. If you click on people, you can see who else is enrolled in this course. We got a couple of people with some pictures, which is great. So everybody needs to add a picture by the end of week 1. Some information about Title IX, which basically talks about providing a safe environment for learning. And you can read over this, a lot of interesting resources on campus, and also in terms of accessibility for any students with accessibility concerns. We are dedicated to providing accessible classes for our students, and that's something I've been learning about this summer. So it's something that's very important to me to work on. Please let me know if you have any issues with accessibility in this course. If there's anything you'd like me to address, I'm very happy to learn more. Okay, so I'm going to leave the student view for now so you can see, here's my little picture. So please add a photo and I'll see you in class. Bye.